Okay, so Kyle comes home today, right? Yes. So basically, we got him a little surprise. Let me show you it. Okay, I'm outside. Yes, it's in the garage. Ready? Here we go. Let's take a look. Oh, that's the wrong thing. Oh, that's embarrassing. Oh, okay, I'm at the correct garage now. Let's do this again for the first time. But yes, my parents did buy Kyle a truck. It's a Ford F-150. But I mean, what other car could they have gotten him? His name is Kyle, so no, I'm kidding. We got like 2 hours. We got like 2 hours till Kyle gets here. So grapefruit time. See, I don't like grapefruits, but this is like the only thing we have. Look at that salmon. It looks like Nemo. Let's drink the juice. It's not that bad. Oh, never mind. Oh, no. Never mind. This is not worth the bid. No. Okay, see ya. He's back! The man is back!
I'm here. Dang, this dude is too tall now.
Say something funny, Courtney.
Just say Kyle. Work.
Did you put it in the garage?
Oh, maybe it's in the garage. Oh, that was anticlimactic. Nah.
You can go check it out.
It's not ballet at Red Rock.
Yes.
Holy shit. This is for my 4.0.
And your birthday.
Is he still crying?
You can talk to him. He's not like he's just like.
I'm happy, Kyle.
Very nice.
It's so sexy, bro.
Hold on. Let's go! Dude, you guys got me on that. I was like, well,
That was funny.
I literally was like, you guys acted very well. I was like, what the heck? Listen, vlog, this is all I gotta say. You work hard, pays off.
You're welcome.
Now I'm like a dude.
Sunroof.
At first I was a guy, now I'm a dude. Dudes with trucks. Oh shoot, it's Kobe's vlog. You know the vibes. Does that have a backup camera? Hell yeah, brother.
Brother.
So let's catch up with
It's like
Woo!
How's college life?
It was interesting, very cold. 28 degrees at one point.
Have you been to any parties?
Yeah, I went to some Bronx parties actually. I still have eczema, which is a skin disease if you guys didn't know. Sad, I'm crying most of the days. Should I hit these people 10 points? If you guys forgot, I'm the funniest person alive. Kobe's very funny too, so if you guys are watching this video and you don't know who he is, hit that freaking subscribe button ASAP, no Rocky, okay?
Facts.
Okay. Dudes with trucks.
We better wrap this dude's car in saran wrap. It's gonna be so crazy, bro.
You know, Kobe's vlog. You know, pranking our friend. You know the vibes. Have fun getting home, Greg.
Do you want help?
Yeah, bro.
So this is the final product. This is hilarious, bro. It's so funny.
What the hell?
No way.
No way!
What is
Didn't I
that?
say I was gonna get you back? I told you I was gonna get you back. I didn't say when, I didn't say how, but I got you back.
Bro, what
Yep. Come on now.
Bro, what did you guys do this?
Enjoy it.
Bro, this must have took y'all some time.
Bro, when Juan and Kobe left,
Bro,
that's
in
what
the
they were
world?
doing.
Y'all got me thinking this is a new car wrapped up as a gift. Summer 2K19 Preg Wars and started. Hey, I got all you guys. Watch tomorrow too with this paintballing. So is you two.
Yep.
1-1.
Well, Kobe's in it.
Kobe using this? Oh,
Yeah.
I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to do it. But I'm gonna have to.
He was recording it, bro.